morning, students. We are welcome to Blessing Classes. Myself, Ethan Maske. Starting with the intro. Now, we are going to study integers. What are integers? Integers are collection of whole number and negatively poised numbers collectively called as integer. Now, in integer, there are whole numbers and natural numbers too. So, what are integers? So, basically, in simple words, natural numbers are the numbers from 1 to infinity, and whole numbers are the numbers from 0 to infinity. So, the question arises, what is infinity? Infinity means क्या एक छोटे से एग्जाम्पल से मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ कि infinity क्या है. The stars in the sky, can we count it? No, we can't count the stars. The salt particles जो होते हैं उसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं क्या? हम उसे नहीं काउंट कर सकते. उसी को कहा जाता है infinity. My dear students, हम ये भी देखते हैं कि 0 into any number, कोई भी नंबर होगा तो वो 0 होगा, और 0 divided by any number will be also 0. ये चीज आप ध्यान में रखिए. Always 0 into any number is 0 and 0 divided by any number is 0. So how to get infinity? 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity, या फिर any number divided by 0 is infinity. So these are the two important concepts which I told you, that is 0 into any number is 0, 0 divided by any number is 0, and any number like this 3 divided by 0 is infinity. Any number divided by 0 is infinity. So these are the basic contents which we all are looking for. Now we will go for the number line. Number line for what the integers are. There are two types of integer. First is the positive integer and second is the negative integers. Two types of integers are there, positive and negative. This is the increasing order, 0, 1, 2, 3 to n type, and here -1, -2, -3 to the n type. These are in the increasing order. My dear friends, these are at a equal position. These are at equal position from each other, where the units between them are 1. ये जो इनके बीच में जो है equal position होता है, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 like this. So ये left side, to the left side of 0 that is negative integer, to the right side of 0 is the positive integer. Always remember, 0 के right side पे जो भी होगा वो positive integer होगा, और 0 के left side जो होगा वो negative integer होगा. Positive integer हमेशा negative integer से बड़ा होता है और 0 से भी बड़ा होता है. Positive integer is always greater than 0 and negative integer 0 is smaller than the positive integer and greater than the negative integer. जो 0 होता है वो positive integer से छोटा होता है as well as negative integer से बड़ा होता है. ये सब चीजें हमें गौर करनी है और हमें समझना है. 0 जो नंबर होता है that is non positive non negative. 0 जो होता है वो नॉन नेगेटिव एंड नॉन पॉजिटिव नंबर होता है. इसको हमें ध्यान देना है. फिर हमने पहले पार्ट में पढ़ा होल नंबर पढ़ा, फिर बाद में पढ़ा हमने नेचुरल नंबर पढ़ा, हमने नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव इंटीजर पढ़ा. ये साइड इंक्रीजिंग हो रहा है आप देख रहे हो, ये साइड डिक्रीजिंग हो रहा है ये देख रहे हो. फिर हम देखेंगे कंपैरिजन ऑफ नंबर्स. हम देखेंगे कंपैरिजन ऑफ नंबर्स. हम देखेंगे क्या देखेंगे? कंपैरिजन ऑफ नंबर्स. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कंपैरिजन, अगर हम 2 और 1 इसमें कंपेयर करेंगे तो 2 इज ग्रेटर देन 1. वी नो दैट 2 इज ग्रेटर देन 1. और अगर हम इससे बड़ा नंबर लेंगे 3 या 2 इस कंसीडर करें तो 3 इज ग्रेटर देन 2. अदर देन अगर हम नेगेटिव नंबर लेते हैं, अगर वो -2 है और -1 है, इस केस में 1 बड़ा. we see that -1 is greater than -2. In this case, negative number -1, -2, -3 ऐसे अगर हम नंबर लेते जाते हैं, इसमें हमें ये याद रखना है कि -1 की वैल्यू -2 से बढ़कर होती है. तो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर में वैसा नहीं होता. हम पता है 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, ये सब चीजें होती है. और इस नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स में क्या होता है? ये -1 जो होता है वो ग्रेटर होता है 2 से। ये अगर हम 2 और 3 में कंपेयर करें तो -2 इज ग्रेटर देन -3। ये चीज हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखनी चाहिए और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये चीजें हमें हमेशा हमें समझाती है और बतलाती है। जो लास्ट पॉइंट आता है हमारा है वो है एब्सोल्यूट नंबर, एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू बोलते हैं, जिसे कहते हैं एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू। क्या कहते हैं? एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू। एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू में मॉड की चीजें, मॉड होता है। मॉड हमें ये पता है कि मॉड के अंदर हम कोई भी नंबर डाले, मॉड के अंदर हम अगर 3 डालते हैं तो उसका रिजल्टेंट 3 होता है। मॉड के अंदर हम अगर -3 डालते हैं तो उसका जो रिजल्टेंट होता है वो +3 होता है। We have to remember whatever we give inside the mod resultant will be positive. अंदर बाहर का जो रिजल्ट होगा वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा। अगर हम ऐसा स्टेटमेंट लेते हैं -3, तो मेरे डियर स्टूडेंट्स, one important law we have to know. There are 4 laws that are very important. Minus into minus, that is plus. Second, minus into plus is minus. Third, plus into minus is minus, and fourth, plus into plus is plus. So always remember these 4 things. First thing is minus into minus gives us plus, resultant in multiplication. Second, minus into plus gives us minus. Third, plus into minus gives us minus, and plus into plus gives us plus. So these are the 4 things we have to remember always for the thing. Now here we can see there is minus of -3. So we know that minus into minus plus, that is +3, and the resultant will be 3. These are the most important and crucial factors of the integers. These are the 4 things that are very important, and on these things all the other things we can decide. So once again we will revise the thing what we had. Whole numbers, they start from 0 to infinity. Natural numbers 1 to infinity. What is infinity? We told you infinity is nothing but any number divided by 0, that is infinity. And we know that another thing we learned was 0 into any number. 0 into any number is 0, and 0 divided by any number is again 0. So all these things you have to keep on eye. And basic things here we have learned whole number, natural number, and now the number line. Once again I tell you, 0 is non-positive and non-negative number. They are at equal distance from each other. They are divided into equal distance. Their unit is 1 in between them. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here it is -1, -2, -3. Here 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2. All these things, and here in the negative numbers we have to look at -1 is greater than -2, and if we compare -2 and -3, -2 is greater than -3. This is very important and very crucial thing. Remember, in the minus signs, the smaller number is greater than the bigger number. Here the -1 is greater than -2. If -3, if we consider -3 and -4, so -3 will be greater than -4. So these are the important things we have to learn. I told you about absolute values, that in the mod, if the negative sign is given, the resultant will be positive, and if in this we can see the multiplication factor, minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus, and plus into plus is plus. So these are the small equations we have to remember, and these are the number line, absolute values, whole number, natural number. These are the basics. We have brought you the first chapter in front of you. This is the beginning of the things. We can have some examples like ascending order. Exercise 1.1 tells about ascending order. We know that what is ascending order? Ascending order बोले तो छोटे से बड़ा. Ascending order means छोटे से बड़ा. Hint, आपको we are giving you the hint. A lot of things are there. -3, 0, 1, 2, -11. So now these are the, suppose these are the numbers. So the smallest number is -11, then -3, then 0, 1, 2. These are the in the ascending order. These are the things in the ascending order. So all this resultant, you can see this is a basic picture of integer. We are just touching the integer. These are the first things. And whatever your doubts, your queries, just give me the things to the give me the questions and queries of yours. I will tell you more about this in next chapter. And well, till then, bye and have a good time. Blessing classes will be always with you and help you. Thank you so much.